Hi, this is Neen, and this was a requested video from YayGirl5. This is my first requested video, and it is the Jungle and Sea Animals playset. It only includes figurines, so this will be a quick video. First we got the elephant. This is a volcano. Giraffe. It does not stand good. Horse. This did not come with the set, but it just appeared in the tub for some reason. Trees. Zebra. Gazelle, I think. Oh, and more trees. Lion. Cheetah. And rhinoceros. And that's all for the jungle set. Now let's look at the ocean set. Hold on, I need to twist off the lid. Okay, we're back. Now let's look. Well, another whale, I think. Shark. Octopus. Seal. I always forget what these are, but it's okay. It's just one. And there. And that is my Jungle and Sea playset.